Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. Tonight we're going to turn an angel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to do one of these little guys. The wings here, cut out on the scroll saw, so that part is not a lathe project. We're going to fit those right on the back of our little turning and have us a little angel ornament. This can be used setting on the shelf. We can hang it on a tree. We can do whatever we want with this thing. It's very versatile. You want to paint it, paint it. You want to leave it natural, leave it natural. Let's go ahead and get started and we'll walk you through the process of making one of these. Okay, we've got a piece of maple here chucked up in the chuck. Got our tailstock brought up right now. We'll go ahead and straighten out this end here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this up here. I know I want it about 3/4 of an inch taller than this one, so I will eyeball that and put me a mark right there for the head. We know this is going to be our head here. This is going to be our skirt here. So I don't want this here any smaller right here. We're going to keep that about the same. Basically, we're just kind of creating a bell shape here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my spindle gouge now. And basically what we're making here for a head is going to be pretty much a ball. I really like doing that with a skew better than I do a spindle gouge. Everybody has a tool they like a little bit better than another one. Okay, you see that shape starting to come around there. I'm liking that. I would like to come in and take a little bit out of the center. So I think what we'll do is we'll put a drill bit in here and we'll drill just right up in the inside that. But I'm just going to drill this out and then we may hollow it out just a little bit. We're just coming in and taking a real light hollowing cut. Again, we've got a lot of wood sticking out. That's why we're getting so much vibration. Okay, we lightened that up a little bit. Got it a little bit hollowed out. Again, this is sticking out way too far to do that. We're going to go ahead and sand this up a bit. Let's start out with some 120 here real quick. On the body here, we'll go to 180, 240, and 320. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and get some loose sandpaper, and we're going to sand the body again and do the head. And we're going to switch on over to 320. That was 220. Going to 320. And the lathe's turning at about 500 RPMs roughly. Okay, let's take a look at that. That's sanded to 320. And I just don't believe we need to go past that. The only thing that I see that I would like to do, and I recommend it always, go with the grain. Any little scratches at that point just kind of disappear. Always a good idea to do that. Okay, now we're close enough there that I can sand the rest of that real easy. So we'll come in with a parting tool at this point. Now I'm not holding this. I've just got my hand around it. And we're going to take the parting tool and come right in. Okay, so see we have very little to sand there. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to sand this with the power sander. And like I said, I'm using 220. So it's not very aggressive. It's not even a brand new 220. And I'm just rotating it as I turn it. And we're good right there. Okay, just wanted to show you what we've got there. There's our little angel. Folks, I'll be right back once I get our little angel put together. While I'm doing that, let me get you to do me a favor. Go down and look in the comments. There's some links down there to things that I use that may be helpful for you. Some of them are affiliate links. If you happen to click on an affiliate link, the channel gets a small commission. The rest of them are just there for your benefit. Either way, it helps the channel by you clicking on those links. The other thing is, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll be right back. I'm back and wanted to show you the finished angel. So after I shut the video off last night, I did go ahead and insert a magnet into the wings and insert a screw into the back of the angel. I want to show you why I did that. This is the little angel. I decided not to put any finish on her at this time. We may do a whitewash on her. We haven't fully decided what we're going to do on these particular ornaments this year. I've got quite a few of them to make, and let's just say the wife is in charge of finishing. We haven't decided exactly what we're going to do. You can paint these white, you can leave them bare, you can put a little face on them, you can do what you want. But let me show you something. Yeah, the wings come off. See the little magnet? See the little drywall screw right into her back? So now all I've got to do when I want to put the wings on her, pop them into place, get them positioned where I want them, and they're there. Nice thing about that is when you go to pack this little thing up and she goes to rest with the rest of the Christmas ornaments for the rest of the year, you don't have to worry about her wings getting broke off. Just a little tip that I picked up a while back, and previously I have mounted those with a 1/4-inch dowel. I think this is a much better option. Yeah, the magnets cost you a little bit, maybe 50 cents a piece or something like that. And yes, it's a little more work to go ahead and do that. But the reality is, I think you end up with a much better product. If you like what you see, I suggest you go make some for yourself. Again, little 3/8 magnet, very small. You can pick them up at Home Depot, on Amazon. You can get magnets just about anywhere. Everybody's got a little metal screw. You just want to make sure the top of it's flat. And pop it on there. Then get her wings just the way you want them. That way, the other benefit of that is that you don't have to worry about gluing them on and them not being straight, right? Folks, thank you so much for watching my videos, for sharing them. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.